now I've got 3 posts, one on the side, middle, and the other side. So in the middle section I have these on both sides because this is going to be one piece here, one piece here. These only have one side notched out. So brand new day here. I want to add a little detail on the top of these posts with the router. So just putting in these white 2x4s now into these notched out posts and securing them together. Really cool to finally be able to use this mallet. I made this in Corvallis before leaving, and this is like for timber framing or that kind of thing, but perfect for here. So this is a walnut head and a hickory handle, and it's really heavy duty and really sturdy. Okay. This one didn't come in quite. Nope. Pretty high. That's pretty good. So it was kind of like a tight fit. So instead of fighting these last pieces, I just went and cut like 1/8 of an inch off. I think that will work better.
Beautiful.
Pretty perfect. Had to bring in the lights. So adding some water to this quick setting concrete. Got them notched in. I got all of these are relatively level, so pretty good. Tomorrow I'm gonna finish this up, put the metal panels on to secure the whole thing up. So pretty cool. It's supposed to rain today and I wanted to get these posts painted before it began. So the minute I woke up, I grabbed August and we ran out here and just finished painting now. So it looks good. It's like, I knew it was gonna be high, but it's just like, it's really high, which I'm really happy about, but it's like, that's really cool. Did you have fun painting? Adding these cross bracing sections, I was able to screw these panels in from the back, and that just kind of tightened everything together a lot. So it's very solid and very sturdy. Okay, so the fence is done and it turned out pretty cool, I think. I mean, I was really going for something a little bit different. I wanted something that looked modern and of course that provided a lot of privacy. And this is about 7.5 feet tall, so pretty high. Now the height was determined by the height of the panels. They're 38 inches high. And I thought if I have 2 of those panels, and then of course I was able to raise it up a little bit because I didn't need it to go all the way to the ground. I mean, this is not a fence for the property where I want to keep out like wildlife or, you know, make sure that Darwin doesn't run away. There's another fence behind this. I just don't want to see the neighbors. So overall this is pretty big here. This is 16 feet long, 7.5 feet high about. What I really want to do here eventually is I'd love to have this as a backdrop and create kind of like a nice hangout space here with a fire pit, maybe like a floating deck, some comfortable chairs. So I'd love to do that eventually. But for now, I love how it blocks like that area completely and it just looks kind of cool. So yeah, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye. So happy I finally was able to get to this. I've been meaning to get to this for the longest time. But I feel like the weather has been like against me. It's been super hot and it's been raining and yeah, and now finally I was able to get to it.